Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. This video is a little bit different. It's not Arduino coin related, but it is Arduino related, and specifically I'm using an ESP8266 board, the Wemos D1 Mini, as well as an I2C 0.96 inch 128 by 64 pixel OLED display. And what we see over here is essentially a network clock, and with this code the ESP8266 uses its Wi-Fi capabilities to communicate to an NTP server, and NTP stands for Network Time Protocol. And when it connects to that server, it then can receive data packets, and it will receive the time depending on what time zone you set on the Arduino code. And with this OLED display, we have a little visual display of the code, the date, as well as the current day. So this is a really neat project. In the future, I plan on really expanding this project. Firstly, I plan on upgrading this OLED display to a 1.3 inch I2C OLED display. As you can see, it's a bit bigger, so it gives me more space to display more information. And I plan to add on a temperature and humidity sensor, so a DHT22, which I will add on and will display the findings on the OLED display over here. And if possible, to minimize the use of an ESP8266, you could also use an RTC module to actually display and set the time. And RTC modules, I don't have one on me right now, but they have a little coin cell battery, so it can last for a very long time. So that's what I plan to do with this project. And yeah, I'll probably add more sensors. This can be a little weather station project, or I could also display other information as well. So I'll keep on producing videos focusing on this project, but this is the basics of this project. And the code which I'm using is an Arduino sketch by Emmanuel Adunlade. I believe that's how you say his name, and the code is in the description below. And with this code, you can go in, you can set the time zones and the place for whatever city or country you're in. And essentially, all of the documentation for this project is on the website below, which I'll put in the description, as well as the original article. I really wanted to showcase this project as I thought it was really cool to be able to receive a real-time display of a time or whatever time you want through an ESP8266, and it makes it really portable, because with this you can just connect the ESP8266 board to power. You don't need to connect it to Ethernet or a host computer. So yeah, you can just put on a battery and you should be good to go. And the flickering on the OLED display over here, it isn't seen in real life, it's just through the camera. So that's just something I wanted to point out. And in terms of the wiring, it is also explained in the original article by Emmanuel in the description box below, as well as the code and all of the other documentation and step-by-step tutorial and more explanation of this project as a whole, including how the NTP protocol works. But yeah, the VCC on the OLED display goes to 3.3 volts. On the ESP8266, ground goes to ground, and SCL serial clock goes to D1, the D1 pin, and SDA serial data goes to the D2 pin. So I just wanted to showcase this quick project over here, and as we progress through, I'll be adding more things to this project, and my next step would be actually to upgrade it to this 1.3 inch OLED display, and from there I will probably be adding a few more modules, a few more sensors, and we should have a fully portable and quite a really nice compact module by the end of the few weeks, or however long it will take, and maybe even a PCB board at the end. So yeah, just a quick video for you guys today. I will of course be moving back between Arduino or Raspberry Pi related content, as well as Arduino coin related content. So you'll see a variety of videos on this channel. So thank you very much for watching. If you want, you can leave a comment below, and if you have any questions, also leave those questions below, and I'll be answering them. So thank you for watching this video, and hopefully I'll be producing another video of this project in a week or so.